everyone, welcome to Valuen Industrial, a leading manufacturer of chemical processing equipment for both lab and production scale. Let me take you on a factory tour. We have obtained ISO 9001-C, ATEX, HEAD, and other certifications for making our equipment fitting for different standards. Stepping into our sample showroom are our equipment like glass molecular distillation systems, stainless steel jacketed reactors, jacketed glass reactors. Stainless steel short path molecular distillations. Our dedicated photography studio is where we capture high-quality product images and videos for marketing and promotion. Our assembly workshop is for assembled glass equipment like glass reactors, rotary evaporator, glass fractional, distillation equipment. Our electrical workshop specializes in assembling and testing electrical components. Our spare parts warehouse is for storing like stirrers, condensers, flasks, waveless, and in the CNC Machine Center, we craft custom components with precision machining. Every part is designed to fit perfectly, contributing to the reliability and durability of equipment. Our stainless steel workshop is equipped with advanced tools for welding, polishing, and handling heavy components. This is where we manufacture robust and reliable stainless steel equipment. Floor is a warehouse for finished products, like chillers, heaters, vacuum pumps. After production finished, we will pack each equipment with wooden and wrap with bubble bag and film. Second floor is our office area. Over here we have sales and logistics team, technical team, quality control team, engineering team. Further down is finance and director office, and our meeting room where we have weekly internal meetings, online meeting, and reception of clients. We have accompanied dozens of clients from worldwide, all of whom have expressed great satisfaction with the superior quality and performance of our equipment. We warmly welcome you to visit our factory. See you.